How to create an Instagram page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram page. So it's super easy. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now simply tap on your username at the top, and from the pop-up menu simply tap on add Instagram account. Now tap on create new account, and now you will be prompted to enter a username. So simply pick an username you like, and once you're done with that, simply tap on next. Now on the next page you need to create a password. So simply enter any password you prefer, and once you're done with that, simply tap on next. Now you can choose to add a phone number to verify your account, and after that Instagram will send you a confirmation code via text. So simply enter the code into the app and tap on next. And after verification your page will be created, and you need to answer a few questions about your page like categories or profession, and once you're done with that you can simply click on next, or you can simply skip it. And once your page is set up, simply tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your profile and simply select settings, and then tap on accounts, and from there simply scroll down and switch to professional account to turn your page into the business or creator profile. And that's it. That's how you can create the Instagram page. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.